To my knowledge, I know that Infosyte is providing AZ900, which is a training for Microsoft Azure. I'd like to know what benefits I can obtain from this training.
All right, let me get the question. Okay, so as you know, Microsoft Azure is a cloud. So how do we get ourselves to the baby steps to learn about the cloud? So this course is called AZ900, or in Malaysia we call it AZ. And this course is a course that will teach you everything about the fundamental about what is Azure cloud. This is a very suitable course for those that do not have any background about the cloud services, no matter Google Cloud, Ali Cloud, or Azure Cloud. This is the best course for you to kickstart with, okay? And after the course, you will be familiar with you know more about the Microsoft Azure Cloud. You can also compare with other AWS Cloud. And this is actually your journey to become a cloud administrator or also the cloud expert, okay? And on top of this, once you attended this class, you finish this training, you also will get yourself prepared to face the certification exam. All right, so that's my few points.
So it's one step at a time. So this is basically how I kickstart my journey in Microsoft Azure. So all this talk about Microsoft Azure, it leads me to curiosity, like how can I start using my first Microsoft Azure services?
Okay, so I'll answer that for you. If I want to experience yourself into the Microsoft Azure, of course, the easiest way is that you go into the web browser and you search for Microsoft Azure. So when you go into it, basically, that's where you start to explore, what is the Microsoft Azure itself. So you can actually access into the website, go into the portal, and right now they are offering free account for you. So you just need to create an account, and then you can start to explore the Azure services itself. But of course, when you create an account, they need to buy your credit cards for verification purpose. So they will charge $1 for deposit, for the verification purpose. Then after that, you are able to access into your Azure account already. And in all the new Azure account that we created, they will give you free trial times, free trial times over here, so that you can test on the services that is available in the Microsoft Azure itself.
All right. Okay, I want to add on top of what Roy Chong mentioned. So if people like you wanted to look for an instructor, someone that you can talk to, you want to learn, and some of the things maybe you want to clarify, you want somebody to show you the step by steps, then I would suggest we can sign up our training by Infosyte. Now we do offer Infosyte. We do offer the fundamental, the intermediate, up to the advanced training, and definitely lab is included. Don't worry about that. We always emphasize about practice, practice, and practice. Okay, so lab is included, the ebook is included, and you also get the access to talk to the trainers. That is actually, I think, the best part.
So basically, with Infosyte, I get to kickstart my journey with this Microsoft Azure, huh? All right. It's been very insightful talking to you all. But looking at the time, I think that's all we can provide for the session today. So I would like to thank all our honored guests, and for all of you for watching our video, thank you very much. For more information, you may check out infosyte.com.